This is the Battle Creek Field of Flight Air Show, and you're watching it here with GT Rockstar 1.
To fly the F-35C model, including the Navy's newest winged aviators. The F-35C is the Navy's variant of the Joint Strike Fighter. It is the only fifth-generation aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the car alarms to go off. Presenting the F-35C Lightning II. The F-35C. 90-degree angle of bank. Turn and showcase the extreme handling characteristics of the F-35 at slow speed and high angles of attack. It will then climb into the vertical, demonstrating the sheer power of the Lightning II as he accelerates from the ground. Tactical pitch. From your right, 811 will bring the Lightning II in for the 4-point hesitation roll, flying at 300 feet and 350 knots. Fixed-wing aircraft enter the landing pattern at the ship in an expedition. Journey tribute band will continue, and that leads right up to our night air show complete with pyrotechnics. So a lot of great things going on, and we've got them all. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to turn the airspace over to the Super Hornet demonstration team now. Let's hear it for them, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Navy Hour of Power.